Hello and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host CS Neha Bajaj, and in this episode, let's discuss about the grief versus growth aspect of change or transitions in life. With every change or transition, there comes a grief, a sadness of losing your friendships, losing your relationships, maybe that career, that job growth, anything that you want to happen and that's not happening, anything that you are into your daily routine and suddenly things just got changed. There comes the sadness, there comes the why, there comes all the kind of griefs and different kinds of negative emotions within ourselves. But with all that sad part that comes with those changes or transitions in our life, there is also one beautiful part of it, which is the growth part. Whenever there is a change in your life, just remember this beautiful thing that there is going to be some level of growth involved with it. There can never be a scenario where a situation has changed and there is no opportunity for you to grow. But you can only see those opportunities if you have your eyes open to those opportunities and those possible reactions of the actions which you have taken right now or in the past. The very first thing for that to happen is for you to accept the change. Until the moment you are grieving about something, if you are grieving about the change or the transitions, no matter how good or how big the opportunity might be, it will just pass by and you will not even acknowledge those things. So, to really get to the benefited side of the change or the transitions that you are experiencing right now, it is very, very important to come out of that sadness, that come out of that grief that you are feeling right now. Stop doing that consciously, because otherwise we humans have the tendency to actually slip into the negative emotions and we can never get out of that unless we really want to do that. To be always on the positive side of everything, we have to consciously make that one push. We every time we have to do something consciously to actually feel that positivity within ourselves. Even if I want to be happy, I have to make things to work in the way that makes me happy. I can easily feel sad, but then I cannot easily feel happy. I have to do work for that. All right. Same goes with every other aspect and every other emotion. Every negative emotion you can just you can literally slip into it. But if you want a positivity or like a motivated life, an inspired life, you have to really work for it. So stop looking for the grief and start looking for the better opportunities. Start looking for your growth in life. Because with the change, both are just there on the table. You have to just accept. You have to just give the space, the right space for the grief and then the right space for the growth. I hope this beautiful message have landed in your heart and in your mind somewhere, and it's really going to impact you, maybe a little or maybe a huge impact. Whatever the case may be, if you have got the message and if you have promised yourself to try on this particular point, do let me know. Connect with me. Again, the link are in the social media in the description box. And till next time, stay blessed, stay happy and stay self-loved. Bye-bye.